For today's lesson, you are going to need your sketchbook, a pencil, a black marker, and something to color with, and then also something round that you can trace. I have the top to a Clorox wipes container. That works for the size that I need today. Last week we worked with tracing circles and overlapping, but when we traced, we drew the entire circle the whole time. In today's piece, we are going to be creating teacups. So when we trace, we are not going to trace the entire circle because we are drawing a cup that is only a half circle, and because the cups are going to be stacked inside of each other. We can't see through the teacup, so we can't see the bottom of the cup that is above it. So we are going to stop when we hit a line as we trace today. To make my teacup, I am going to draw the bottom half of the circle. So I'm starting halfway down, curving underneath, and then stopping at that halfway point on the other side. Now I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the ends of those lines so that I have a half circle drawn. This is the shape of my teacup. Next, I'm going to add a curve. So like a backwards C or a capital letter D. I'm going to repeat that to create the handle. When I draw my second cup, I'm thinking about drawing only a half circle, but I stop when I hit my teacup, and then I pick my pencil up and start again. This next teacup is going to be tilted, so it's not sitting straight in the other teacup. I'm going to add my handle again, so again that backwards C or that letter D. I'm going to repeat this, so again thinking about drawing half of a circle, but I'm not going to see that whole line because my cup is sitting inside my other cup. I draw my line across to create the top, add my handle. I'm just adding my handle wherever there is room. You could have them all on the right or all on the left. I'm going to again draw half of that circle, pick up my pencil, draw the rest of that, draw my line across the top again, add another letter C and a second C to create that handle. And then I'm going to add my last teacup. Again, thinking about a half circle, stopping at that line, picking it up, starting again, and then drawing my straight line across. Once I have all of my shapes drawn, then I'm going to add my bottom plate, this saucer that a teacup is going to sit on. So I'm drawing an oval. Again, I can't see the whole thing, so I'm only drawing what I can see underneath my teacup. The last step to drawing these teacups is to outline them with a Sharpie. So I'm going to take my permanent marker and outline all of my pencil lines to make them show up in black. If I have any pencil lines showing once I'm done, I'm going to erase those with my eraser. Once my teacups are ready, I'm going to use my crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever you have at home, to add patterns to all of my teacups. I'm going to try to change up the patterns on each teacup and change up the colors so that I have a variety of patterns and a variety of colors in my teacup stack. Once you are finished with your artwork, take a picture of it and upload it to Artsonia so that your art teacher can see it.